Hello everyone. Today what we are bringing here on our channel may not be the typical video that we post, but why we have chosen this is because this is something which would be very useful to all the users who fall into trap of various kinds of reviews and etc which are given in the way on various social media channels, and they get trapped into buying products which they later regret and lose their money. So, not taking much of the time, what I'm trying to discuss here in this video is about the Boya mic and the policies that Flipkart has, which is not fruitful to the users. So, if you look at Boya Mic 1, so I've actually recently purchased this mic, again falling into trap of various reviews which are there for a nice budget mic phone which is compatible with all the devices, whether it is laptop, PC, or smartphones. Surprisingly, I got a fast delivery from Flipkart, and when I saw all the accessories were actually in place, and when then I tried it with my laptop, it actually never worked. So it is completely incompatible. I have a Windows 10 PC, even 10 laptop, which is a Dell one and the recent one, but it is completely incompatible. It failed to detect even after trying all the resolutions which were there on the YouTube website. So there were a certain suggestion that in case it needs to work, you need to buy a new connector. Now my point is, why should I buy a new connector? If there are such incompatibility issues, the Boya or the company who is manufacturing it should provide all the related accessories along with its mic. So then only I can clearly define it as a budget mic. Otherwise, you are spending a hell lot of money in other aspects to actually get it working. So I'll just show you what are the issues that are faced in the video. So I've made a video of it. Let's have a look at it. So I've recently bought this Boya M1 mic from Flipkart. Even I had checked the original, whether it is original or not, from their website. So it was completely original. So it's not a defective product, or nor it is a fake product. So all the accessories were there, and along with this pouch which had this around 20 feet long cable which was there along with Boya mic 1, and there was a battery which I had already inserted in this. So it has functions of camera as well as the smartphones, which you can look at here. So you can, the moment you're in smartphone, it will work with the mobile. The camera is for the camera as well as for the laptop. That's what the instructions said. And one of the accessories was this collar clip which I had attached, and this soft pad over the microphone which was there. Now, as claimed by most of the YouTubers and other social media personality, that it is one of the best and the cheapest budget microphones in the market. Seeing those details, reviews, I had actually gone ahead and bought this, but it's an awful experience actually, because this mic is not even compatible with my Windows latest laptop, nor does it work on a smartphone. So the detection becomes an issue. So what exactly is the problem is this mic is not compatible with all the smartphones and not with all the laptops. So there were a lot of YouTubers who had suggested various workarounds to it. I had tried all of them, but none actually worked. So the laptop basically fails to detect this microphone. So I'll just show you the various method that some of the YouTubers had shown. So I'm actually connecting this Boya mic, and I put it onto a camera mode. So now let me open some of the solutions which are suggested. So what most of the people on the net has said is that you go into a control panel. So I'm actually on a control panel now. You go to the sound, you see this Realtek thing. That is basically your Boya or whatever has to be detected, but actually there is no detection at all. So even if I speak it on the mic, or just tap on the mic, there is no sound there. Now even if I configure it, so this is one of the options what most of the people have suggested, that you select your desk microphone for a PC, and then you speak out what it is there. So I've done all those things. So even if I just show it in front, what has been written, Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing, and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Right. So if I do the next, so the computer did not hear anything. Is your microphone muted? So there is nothing that is on mute, and it is not even detecting this particular product. So what I would suggest is be a little careful once you buy such kind of a product based on what the other YouTubers have suggested, because it is going to cost you money as well as pain in terms of returning it and other things. So Flipkart, so let me just take you to the Flipkart. Now Flipkart has actually an issue, because what the seller had claimed is that it is compatible with all the phones and laptop devices. Now this incompatibility is very clear as to what we can see here, but the seller has no option of returning back the money. It can only replace, which I tried convincing Flipkart that there is no point if this mic is incompatible. It means there will be multiple replacements which would happen. Anyways, I think Flipkart is also not interested in their customer service. So what I would suggest is, before you buy anything from Flipkart or any other website, please do see the seller conditions of return, and the fake statements that are being made here and other things. I think you should be absolutely clear what you want. So never go for some product where there is no return policy on the money. So there are other YouTubers who have also suggested some workaround in terms of buying some of the connectors from, for example, TSS, etc. But why should I pay for that money? So if this is an issue with Boya should have actually clubbed all those accessories and connectors along with the product and given to us. The same thing happens when I connect it to the smartphone. The smartphone fails to detect Boya mic. So there is nothing that happens there. So all in all, it's actually a waste of money. And I would rather suggest that rather than going for a product which is budget, cheap, and does not work at all, rather spend a little money and buy something good. Hope this would be helpful to some of the buyers and who are not cheated by fake reviews and false reviews which are given on the sites. Thank you. So you have seen how people fall into trap of various reviews, etc., which is given on various social media sites, and buy products which actually do not serve their purpose. Now, what I feel is that sites such as various e-commerce sites, so the one that I had faced an issue was Flipkart. Now, what a feeling that I get after being a customer for such a long time, these shopping sites or e-commerce sites are actually hands and gloves with various sellers, because they don't care about the users. Now, if a seller has a policy of not giving money, it can only return a product. It's fair that policy would be applicable. But what if the description and the things that the seller has written are false? So obviously it is false, those policies would not be applicable. So in this case, the seller had written that it is compatible with all the devices, whether it is laptops and smartphones. Since that compatibility is itself an issue, the policy should not apply. Now Flipkart people actually don't understand this, and they had forced to return the item and get a replacement of this product. What they don't understand, what I've tried to explaining them also, is if this incompatibility issue is there, it is not because of this one device, it would occur in the second device also, and this would create multiple cycles of returning of the product, now which would actually be a waste of time, waste of money for both of us. However, there is no resolution which has come up, and I think they are not even interested in giving resolution. So what I would suggest is be very careful. Don't solely go by the reviews, and be specific when you're buying a product from a site called Flipkart. Do see the seller's policy of return, whether they are ready to return the money or not. In case some seller is not ready to return the money, in this case the seller was RetailNet on Flipkart, please don't buy a product from such sellers. Otherwise, you will fall into a trap and you will not have any good product with you. It would be rather advisable if we get the money back and buy a better product rather than wasting time on getting returns and again returning back the same product. I hope this video is useful to you and you would. So as mentioned, so even at the Flipkart, no matter even if you're a Plus user or whatever user, even though the product is not as what has been claimed by the seller, it has defects in terms of the description that he has written or the features that he has put up. Still, the policy of the seller would apply. Now, this seller, which is a RetailNet in Flipkart, had a policy of only returning items. So what I tried explaining Flipkart is, since the seller itself has put in wrong features and it had said that it is compatible with all the laptops, smartphones, etc., which actually isn't true and had not appeared for me on the smartphones, on the laptops, even I tried other machines. So the basic feature of his policy being effective becomes null and void. But somehow the Flipkart executives were not able to understand and they kept on repeating that you can only return. Failing to understand that this return will not happen once, but it will be multifold, for which they have no answer, because this incompatibility issue is going to occur even after a replacement is done. So I was trapped and I am not sure what to do. So I had actually gone ahead and put in a replacement, and I intend to repeat this cycle until and unless some issue is worked out. So that is what you can see on the screen. There was no option of getting my money back. So the only option, or a first option, was to get a replaced item. So let's see how it goes. I will update you in future as to how things turn up, how many replacements or return cycles happened, and maybe I'll look for another good mic which actually does not have such kind of an issues. Thank you. Finally, I would just like to state that there was no intention in bringing harm to any brand or any product. The motive of this video was only to inform the users or the buyers to make an informative decision, look at all the policies, whether it is giving on any platform, whether it is Flipkart, eBay or any other e-commerce companies, and also look at the true reviews of the product in compatibility form and from other websites such as mouthshut.com and other exact user reviews where it is not paid and these are genuine reviews. So may God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.